Hello everyone, this TV is LG TV and this is Samsung soundbar HWB750F. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this TV to wireless network, to Wi-Fi network. Switch the TV on, select the gear button to go to TV settings, scroll down, use down arrow button, scroll down to network. It's showing us now network not connected. So you need to use the center button to select the network. Internet connection. Please select an internet connection method. Wired connection, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi connection. Scroll down to Wi-Fi connection, then select on it. It will show you the networks available. Then you use down arrow button, scroll down to select the network, then use the center button to select on the network. It will bring out keyboard on your TV for you to type the password. So I have the information, so I'm going to type the password. Check the information you put, double check it to make sure the information you put is correct. Then go all the way to select enter. Select enter. So this is connected, and if you look on the network, it will show you a good mark to show you that it's connected to the network. And it's showing us now latest version of software is available. Then you select update. Select OK. So this is how to connect this to wireless network. Go to YouTube or any other program you want to watch, for example. So if you go to YouTube, select YouTube, update. Then you select OK. Application has been successful. So this is how to connect this to wireless network. Then search YouTube for you to see that it's connected to networks. Now you can search any program you want. If you want to search any program, for instance, go on top and select search. Then scroll down and type any program you want to search. Then you select a program. So this is how to connect this via wireless network. Thank you very much indeed.